Dental implants, cost comparison between Europe and Turkey. In terms of dental treatment, one of the most commonly used treatments patients need is dentures. Dentures can be used as removable replacements to replace missing teeth as well as the surrounding tissues. They provide both functional and aesthetic benefits. But the price of dentures may vary depending on where that you reside within. In this clip, we'll compare the costs of dentures in Europe and Turkey in order to assist you in making the right decision about which treatment to seek. Cost of dentures in Europe. In Europe, the cost of dentures varies between countries. In general, the price for dentures within Western European countries such as the UK, Germany, and France is generally higher in comparison to Eastern European countries like Poland and Hungary. This is because of the differences in living expenses as well as labor expenses in these two nations. In the UK, there is a median price for a complete set of dentures ranges between PS 500 to PS 1,500 based on the quality and material of the dentures. In Germany, it is possible for the price to be higher, costing anywhere between €500 up to €2,000. The prices can be not affordable for many individuals, particularly those with no dental insurance or have an extremely tight budget. Cost of dentures in Turkey. However, Turkey has become a well-known destination for dental tourism over the last few years with reasons that are well-founded. Costs for dental procedures such as dentures in Turkey is considerably lower in comparison to other European nations. This is because of the less expensive labor and cost of living in Turkey that allow dentists to provide high-quality treatment at affordable costs. In Turkey, it is possible to find an entire set of dentures ranges between $200 and $800 depending on the type of material used and the quality of the dentures. It's a small fraction of the price of dentures in Europe, which makes the procedure more affordable for a lot of people. Additionally, many dental centers located in Turkey provide packages for foreign patients. These packages include accommodation, transport, as well as other services, which makes it an easy and affordable option for people who are traveling abroad. Quality of dentures. It is crucial to remember that the price of dentures isn't the sole factor to be considered when deciding where to receive the procedure. Dentures quality as well as the experience of dentists are equally crucial considerations. When you travel to Europe, there is a chance to get top-quality dental materials and skilled dentists, however, at a greater price. In Turkey, there are a number of reliable dental clinics offering top-quality dental implants and treatment for a fraction of the price. Prior to making a choice, before making a decision, you should conduct a thorough investigation of the dental clinics across Europe as well as Turkey. Read reviews written by past patients and speak with dentists to make sure that you feel confident in their knowledge as well as the quality of dentures that they provide. It is also important to take into consideration other aspects like travel and lodging costs when deciding which denture clinic to go with. Conclusion. When it is about the price of dentures, Turkey provides a lower-cost alternative compared to a number of European nations. Because of its lower costs and top-quality treatment options, Turkey has become a well-known tourist destination for dental care, attracting patients from across the globe. But it's crucial to take into consideration other aspects like quality, experience, as well as convenience when deciding the best place to receive dentures. Through thorough research and speaking with dentists to make the right choice about where you should seek this crucial dental procedure.